Hello and welcome back for another math lesson with Mr. Hopkins. We are continuing with Unit 2, two-step equations, and this time we have some fractions. So it's really important to make sure we have our calculator handy. It'll just make things so much easier. And be confident. We have a calculator, so let's just plug and chug, I guess. Okay, let's start solving for number 1. It says solve for Q. So remember, we want to get rid of whatever's not attached to the variable first. So this negative 1/5. So let's add 1/5 to both sides. And see what we get. We have Q over 15 equals 3/5 plus 1/5. Well, since this one's an easier one, since they have the same denominator, I can just add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4, so that's 4/5. But if you didn't know that, then definitely please use a calculator. Okay, to get Q by itself now, always do the opposite. Right now it's being divided by 15. So we want to multiply both sides by 15. So I know they cancel there. So what is 4/5 times 15? I can reduce that right now by hand and come up with a quick answer. And I'll still show you that. But let's see what it looks like on the calculator. 4/5 times 15. So alpha y equals, to pull up a fraction, 4 over 5. Move your cursor outside the fraction and times by 15. You should get 12. Perfect. So we should know that 5 goes into 15 3 times, so what's left over, 4 times 3, is 12. Moving on, number 2. To get x by itself, we want to add 1/2 to both sides. So they cancel on the left. 5 plus 1/2 is 5.5. Again, use your calculator. So to start getting x by itself, I can do this in one step, I can do this in 2 steps. But I see, or I know what you guys see, and that's going to be first to divide. 2x is being divided by 5, so let's multiply both sides by 5. So I get 2x equals 27.5. And I want to divide both sides by 2. So if I divide that by 2, I get 13.75. As a fraction, if I hit the math button and number 1, I can turn that into a fraction. It is 55 over 4. So either one of those two answers is correct. Okay, number 3. To get u by itself, let's subtract 1/2. So 7/8 minus 1/2. Definitely want to use a calculator. Alpha y equals one more time. 7/8 minus 1/2, and we have 3/8. Okay, so now we have 3/4 u equals 3/8. To get u by itself, we want to divide both sides by 3/4. So my answer right there, I want to divide by 3/4. And I get 1/2. Okay, let's look at the last one. To get n by itself, add 1/3 to both sides. 8/3 plus 1/3 is 9/3. But what else do we know about 9 divided by 3? That simplifies, right? So 1/5 n equals 3. So to get n by itself, it's currently being multiplied by 1/5. So let's divide by 1/5. So 3 divided by 1/5 is 15. So make sure we use our calculator on the homework. So in the homework packet, it will be the lesson from 2-5 homework. It says it right on the top in the packet. Good luck. See how you do.